Hi friends, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Larry. I'm painting today. This is, of course, the BrushFalls Studio YouTube channel, but you knew that because you clicked on this here video. So, today we're going to work with a black canvas, and we're going to freehand and stretch it out and have some fun with this. So, I have black and 5 colors, and we'll put them on the box. I'll find a spot for it when I'm editing. And with that, let's get to it. Yeah, that'll be enough. Just wetting the canvas down to make it slick. Okay,
we are good.
We look good. This is
we are good.
all right. I'm going to heat this up a little bit. Pop all the bubbles in the bottom. Something very satisfying about popping the bubbles with a heat gun. Okay, with that, we are going to start pouring colors onto this canvas. sometimes you just have to mix up a bunch of colors and have some fun. And that's what this painting really was. Didn't want to go anything real crazy or fancy, just pour some paint on and stretch it out and see what happens. And this turned out really cool.
This is more abstract.
It's a lot more abstract, yes. And like anything with fluid art, you never know 100% what you're going to get. You can have kind of an idea, but the paint always kind of decides what it's going to be. And the one thing that did happen is here is most of the yellow disappeared, but it did create some pretty cool green with when mixed with the blues, and it lightened some of the oranges and the reds up. We're really starting to get some of the black is starting to pop through as cells, and some, especially in the white. This is going to be fun when it's dry.
I like the streaks of green.
As always, thanks for coming by to watch our painting channel. Please leave me a comment and tell us how we're doing. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. That really helps our small channel out, and we really do appreciate all the help that all of you can give to us. With that, I'm going to say goodbye and goodbye.